Hello guys, I have noticed great progress in the class. I'm very happy about this. Now, I am going to talk to you about the I8 genre assignment. Now, in it, you are supposed to go out to the internet and get one of each one of those genres, right? A genre basically is French for type. So we're talking about types of music. And so here we are actually looking for a Gregorian chant. So I'm going to go out to YouTube and find an example of Gregorian chant. Then I'm going to find an example of, a mass, and preferably something that is a mass from, let's say, the Middle Ages or the Renaissance. So we're talking about, give or take, the year 1000 through 1500, right? And the motet and the madrigal or Parisian chanson, those happened within this time frame as well, right? Now I actually started a little bit earlier, right? So you're looking for compositions that were written around this time period. Opera at the same time. Now, I warned you about the German Lied. Now, the word Lied means basically song in German. So if you go to YouTube and you type the word Lied, you're going to encounter any a huge quantity of German songs, which will primarily be pop songs, right? So what you want to find is a composition that was written in the 1800s, and there are composers such as Schumann, Schubert, and Haydn that wrote beautiful Lieder, which is plural, basically at the ER for the plural in German. And it's a composition that features the piano and the voice. So if you look for a Lied and all of a sudden you find yourself looking at a band, a rock band with drum sets, electric guitar, you are probably not going to be able to use that one as much as you might like it. So again, try to stay true to what this assignment is asking you for. Then you're going to find those, get the links, and come here to the assignment itself. This is what the assignment looks to me as an instructor. I'm assuming it looks something similar to you. You're going to go down here and you see the word reply. Once you hit the word reply, you're going to be faced with, there's Desmond's, here we go. You're going to be faced with the content editor, right? So in the content editor, you're going to type in your reply and to the assignment, right? And here you're going to be able to paste your 8 examples. Now, there are several ways of doing this. Now, it's very intuitive in Canvas. If you basically go to YouTube and grab the link, you'll be able to just basically paste that here. It might or might not work, but if you actually go to YouTube and you click on embed, let's just say that by any stretch of the imagination, this would be an example that is apt, which is not. But this is just an example that just to show you how to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit share here. And this is something that you might all be aware of with YouTube. You can go ahead and copy this link. Now, the cool thing that you can do with Canvas is you can actually go ahead and grab the embed link, right? And then you're going to copy it. Okay, so that over here tells me that it's a linked copy to the clipboard. I'm going to go right back to the class. And here is my content editor, right? Now I have to make sure that I'm clicking on the HTML editor, right? So I'm going to just basically go ahead and paste my example there. And I'm going to go back to the rich content editor, right? So I'm now on the HTML. I'm going to jump from HTML back over to rich content, and there's my video, right? So below my video, I'm going to say, this is not quite the right example, whatever have you, right? You do need to actually explain why you picked these pieces, right? And you need to give me one example of each one of the other ones. And then you basically go ahead and look for the other until you have your 8, and then you wait and you reply to the work of 2 peers, right? And you post your reply first, right? And then you just go and look at what another peer did and reply to that, right? And okay, some of these examples are great, some might not be. So that's pretty much the gist of the assignment. Good luck.